Okay, so it's Thursday the 19th. Another pretty sick day, up $450 today. So, really seeing the implications, or consequences even, of upping my size. And yeah, what's interesting is the wins when with bigger size. It's like, I don't know, actually, to be fair, I can't even explain it, but essentially, using bigger size doesn't affect my psychology at all. So, I could basically use infinite size, and not have any sort of added emotion, because I'm so focused on the fucking chart, I don't give a fuck about the money, that... Yo, okay. Sorry, someone was fucking talking. Alright, let's go into the trades I made. So, in the morning, I think I took a small loss. Oh no, first trade was a win, I think. Yeah, okay. Yeah, draws higher, buy side here. Zooming in. Fair value gap, super good distribution, rode up to that high. I don't think I made much of that. 3 contracts, maybe like $50, $60. Then I took a loss, saw this displacement, saw that we run through this fair value gap, retraced. Took a short trying to target this, got stopped out. That was actually my full size as well, so it's probably down about 150 here. I stepped away, and here's when it got techie. So, I don't know why this is saying I got stopped out. This first one got stopped out. We're in this 15-minute, we've swiped this liquidity, we distributed through this 1 minute fair value gap, so I take a stab long, stop at the low. This one gets stopped out. I noticed it as a stop rate, turtle soup. This huge big wick. It didn't swipe this, which was a bit sus. But doesn't technically have to if we instantly bounce like this and run through this 1 minute. The second we ran through this 1 minute, I jumped in some positions, so jumped in 2 here, and rode up to those highs. So that cancelled out the 2 losses from before. So now I'm like break even. And then, yeah, this one was a bit more advanced. Buy side and equal highs have been taken. SMT, buy side taken. Big sell off running through the 2 minute, if I remember correctly. Yep, this 2 minute here. If we run through this 2 minute, I'm confident that it's going to go here. And I actually entered on this candle, which hadn't even closed below it, which was, to be honest, not good. Yeah, so I took an original short here, maybe in this fair value gap, but this one, when I added most of my size, was because this 2 minute got broken through, but it actually didn't. So that was kind of lucky, if I'm honest, but the overall model was good, just as the execution wasn't perfect. So we rode that down to sell side, these equal lows, and this 15 minute again. What was this? Yeah, 15 minute. That was probably 250, 200. Instantly swept this, reversed back up, pushed through this 1 minute, saw this stop rate, jumped in a contract there, pushed up, distribution, another contract, created a 3 minute fair value gap, we come down, we wick in, we push back up into another contract, and then scaled out. Could maybe have even left a few runners, but yeah. I clocked. These need to be more detailed, explained in more detail, but because I should be really reviewing what I did right or what I did wrong. I mean, I used good size on everything, stuck to my rules. The model, all of them are fine apart from this one where I entered a bit early. Didn't overtrade, didn't have... Well, my 2 losses rule is 2 losses in the same session. I step away, I didn't have that, so followed that rule. And yeah, once I was up, I didn't try and make more. I was happy with that enough with that money, and then yeah, stepped away and did something else. I think I went to do my evening shift thing. But no, pretty chill day. It's like, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna, because I need to constantly be putting myself in situations which I'm not comfortable in. And if I manage risk well, and I'm making like $400, $500 days, I should be having K days, 2K days. So I'm gonna try up my size this Monday. I don't want to add size. What is tomorrow? Yeah, I don't want to add size tomorrow on a Friday. Speaking of which, what actually is happening tomorrow? Okay, nothing. So no news. Let's just get rid of that. But yeah, as of Monday, I'll probably have my max size as 6 minis. That's my max, and my minimum. Minimum will be probably still 2. I probably won't change my minimum. But I'll up my maximum. Okay, let's look at the draw going into tomorrow. So we're looking like this is going to be the draw for NQ, running through this daily fair value gap. Retracing back into it, distributing higher. This is what I expect the draw to be. Moving down to the 4 hour, we've got relatively equal lows here. Nice 4 hour fair value gap. Let's try and market open here. Yeah, market open. This is my draw. We'll see what happens in the overnight session. We might come down, sweep this, and form some sort of buy model to the upside. Ooh, I quite like this level as well. So yeah, draws higher for now. Yes, interesting. So we do have an SMT with ES. Which isn't even that one technically. This high is this here. Like crazy big SMT. That changes the bias a lot actually. I still would like to see this be the draw, but the SMTs are something to take note of. That's also technically all-time highs as well, no? That we're at, which is a sus period of time. So maybe the idea of upping my size actually isn't that smart, low key. So yeah, I might keep my size the same. I need to go over that in journal and work out whether that's smart or not. 8 o'clock is here. So yeah, draw isn't higher on ES, which is interesting. We've taken out buy side. We've got SMT at the high. If anything, I'm expecting. Let's have a look. Is there any sort of PD arrays getting disrespected? It's like a tiny nestled in hourly here, which has got disrespected. Potentially making the draws lower, so we'll see what happens in the overnight session if we retrace back into it or not. We have a big 15-minute up here as well. With a high nestled in as well, so yeah, we'll just see how tomorrow plays out, especially with being all-time highs. So no clear draw, but pretty good day today. Getting back in the swing of things, keeping the good habits up. And yeah, pretty chill. And that's everything covered.